You won't believe what your electric car is secretly doing. And it's not pretty. Stick around 3 minutes. Everything changes. I promise. No fluff. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, and I'm spilling the electric tea. You've seen the ads. EVs will save the world. But, will they though? Let's break it down. Fast. First up, batteries, juiced with lithium, cobalt, and a sprinkle of rare earth drama. Mining for that stuff? Not pretty. Imagine grandma's backyard after a monster truck, only toxic. Most cobalt comes from Congo, where working conditions are not 5 stars. All for your EcoFlex. Hash first world problems. Okay, but the car's clean, right? Making one EV can pump out more CO2 than a regular car. It's like starting the race behind eating a whole cheesecake, then running a 5K to cancel it, and charging. Pure clean electricity. Unless your grid runs on coal. Then you're basically driving a stealthy smoke machine. And dead batteries? Many end in landfills, chilling next to your Tamagotchi and Nokia brick. Range anxiety is real. Your car dying with only cows for company. Try not to panic. People say EVs are cheaper to run. True, if you never need a new battery. Those battery packs can cost more than your college tuition. And I'm still paying my tuition. Look, I'm not saying EVs are evil. They help. But they're not magic unicorns that poop rainbows. Next time someone flexes an EV, ask about their cobalt footprint. Watch their face glitch like Windows 98. Real quick, would you buy an EV this year? Drop yes or no in the comments. Right now. Smash that like if you're shocked, subscribe for real talk. I read every comment, memes welcome. Oh, and did you spot the hidden meme? Rewind and comment if you found it. See you next week. Unless I get run over by a Tesla on autopilot. Oops, wrong clip. Myth 1. EVs have zero impact. False. Myth 2. Charging is always clean. Depends on your grid. Myth 3. Always cheaper. Not if you pay for batteries. So complicated, messy, and kinda human. Not magic unicorns. No rainbows. Ask about cobalt. Watch the glitch. Gasp. Now you know. Meme drop. Use it wisely. Loop hook. Stay for the hidden meme at the end. Thanks for watching. Just kidding. Quick fact. Battery recycling tech is improving, but slow. Best fix, cleaner grid, better mining practices, better recycling. Share this in 3 places. Help the first 48 hours. Like if you think EVs deserve nuanced takes. Comment, yes, if you'd buy one, no if you're team gas. Subscribe. New truth bombs every Tuesday. Stat. Manufacturing emissions can flip the advantage depending on region. If your grid is green, EVs win faster. Recycling rate improvements equal sign huge impact. So yes, complicated. Yes, worth trying to fix. 2-second speed recap. Go, slow down. What should you do? Vote for clean grid. Demand ethical sourcing. Support recycling. Challenge. Share one eco hack in comments. If someone flexes their EV, drop the cobalt question. And remember the cows. They judge silently. If my Tesla runs me over, tell my mom I loved spreadsheets. Kidding. Maybe. Hidden meme. Did you catch it? Rewind to find it. Wait, end credits? Nope. Rewatch. There's a tiny Easter egg that pays off. Share with one friend who loves cars or hates them. Mining issues? Check. Manufacturing emissions? Check. Grid dependence? Check. Recycling and policy? Key. If you learned one thing, hit like. Subscribe for more brutal truths. Comment yes or no. I reply to every meme. Tap the poll in the card now. See you next week, unless Tesla beats me to it. Hidden meme reveal. Tiny Windows 98 face at 037. Rewatch this part and leave the timestamp. Best comment gets pinned. Thanks. Oh wait. One last thing. If an EV ever runs me over, make it a viral moment, please. Subscribe. Om out.